Hey, what's going on? So I have another snapshot ready for you guys. It is the massage therapist snapshot. Just giving you a glimpse of the homepage here. It's very similar. This just works for like single service provider businesses. So like a massage therapist, a pressure wire, like whatever it is. This works. Local businesses. This just works. I went with a lighter aesthetic, just seems to be what's going on across the board. But so this is like the landing page. We're super good on mobile. Conversions are like ridiculously high. But let me go through here. So first thing I want to show, wherever they are. I don't know. I have the, no, I don't. So these are all custom values, a whole bunch of custom values in there. You can see it pre-populates over here with the price and the name of the offer, city name, all that stuff, all the custom values in there. Give me my voucher. We have a review snapshot as well. This is like it's like a review gating type of thing. When recording, things moves. Okay, so got the review. This is a custom value with the logo. You can see down here, custom values logo, so you can just change that in your custom values. Thumbs up and yes. Would you recommend us? Goes, opens pop up. Gotta keep moving my face out of the way. I can link these to the Google, Facebook reviews. No, it takes them to the next step, which is super simple. Here, first name, sorry to hear about this, gives them a feedback form, which is super straightforward, super easy. Okay, I want to show you just a glimpse at the automations and workflows that are back here. The crazy discount, which is the initial funnel. Oh, let me show you the other steps for this. Here is step 2. It's got the calendar. One thing that works really well, we just change the colors on here. Just to make it a little lighter, or a little darker, so it's better contrast. Talk to the massage therapist you're going to be working with to see what type of offer, what type of bonus they can add to their offer that would increase the incentive to have people pre-schedule instead of waiting for a callback. A luxurious hot towel treatment is what my client used, and it worked really well. Like 90% of the people who booked through ended up going ahead, booked through on the initial page, ended up going ahead and pre-scheduling here so that they could get the luxurious hot towel treatment. Especially with this insane winter storm going on right now, this will be really good. So talk to them about that. All right, I'm going to show you next. All right, final page of the funnel here. You're all set. Again, I'm just going to make this darker. Appointment confirmed, has the appointment start date and time right here. Actually, what I like to do with the appointment info, I like to show you how I do here. I like to give a little bit of a background and make it so it's no margin up top. So now, especially on mobile, it looks great right there. Prominent right up top. Thanks, contact first name. I'll actually make that bold. Cool. Just emailed you confirmation for your appointment. Looking forward to meeting you, providing you with an incredible 5-star experience. So this is going to be the picture of the massage therapist. This is just a default headshot that was available within High Level, but plug in your massage therapist information. So that's the main funnel. I realize I'm showing you guys these funnels. You can just go ahead and replicate like everything. The review gating, I already showed you that. The automations. There is an email template that delivers the voucher. You're going to want to go ahead and customize that. It'll be in the email templates. Feedback form submitted. This is if it was a negative or not positive experience. This is appointment confirmation, super simple. And then Google My Business. So one of the things that's really important with like this types of businesses particularly is integrating it with Google and making sure that their Google My Business profile is like locked in and set up. It's an easy upsell. Also, if they don't have it, you can go ahead, you can do an audit, you can set it up for them for $100 or $300, depending on the type of relationship you have with them and what you're comfortable charging. It's something that could take you maybe an hour. So yeah, go ahead, get that set up, and then this integrates directly with the Google My Business chat. It is awesome. All right, it's gonna pop out of here. Got the automations, got the opportunities here. This is all automated. New leads, booking confirmed, services sold. If they're upsold to a higher package, you can just pull them over. If they're no-show or if they're canceled, there's a couple more steps in the pipeline over here. You can see if they canceled or if they're showed but not upsold. That will show up in the like the pie chart on the dashboard, but they won't show up in the funnel. Custom values I was telling you about earlier. All these custom values here pre-populate on the site, and in the automations, just come here, plug it in. You are good to go. This is available for $97. You get the Snapshot link. I'll go ahead and give you a walkthrough video, as well as an onboarding document. You'll get access to a Google Drive folder that has everything for you. I'm going to go ahead and include some ad swipes as well. So if that's something you're interested in, just click the button above. It'll take you to a Stripe checkout page. Buy it, and then you'll get redirected to the Google Drive folder.